I wonder if it still starts. Tires didn't even melt. How the fuck did I get over here? Bet you them people doing the bulldozing broke in that safe. Having the people safe, it probably was. Fuck, man, how the fuck did I get over here? Oh, fuck, man. Let's read some of these. Oh, MJR, what's up? How much for that Ford? That one right there? Free. Just gotta come get it. See how many miles it's got. Probably still starts. I mean, you're gonna have to get a new windshield and probably a new mirror, but other than that. The fuck? The fuck? Honestly, mechanics on it are probably still all good. $600 games, can I get mod? Those F series became too expensive lately. Oh yeah. I mean, I see why though. Look how I mean, this bitch is untouched almost, other than a little bit on the roof, from the collapsed roof up there. What's this shit? Oh, this looks like a giant fucking battery. Oh wow, there's a lot of copper in there. Oh no, that's not a battery. Oh, it's a V10. It's a Triton V10. What kind of truck is this? F350 Super Duty. Is this really a V10? Does anybody know? For all the new people tuning in, I'm just gonna go since we're right by it still. You guys probably missed this. The whole beginning of the video, I'm not gonna go over it long. The beginning of the video started off with the safe. Yeah, the store up here was closed, and then I opened it. I'm like, ooh, maybe money? And then it's just that, and that. And that hammer is all they got in this bitch. And you can tell they broke into it, because see, these aren't pushed in, so it was still locked, so they broke it off the hinge this way, and then just slid it out, and then drilled this lock out, and then voila, they just became millionaires. I should have got up on that one fucking the day after the fire. If I knew that was her, I would have did that. Alright, now let's go to where we're going to the other part. We already saw this. This was already in the video. Is this really a V10? Does anybody know? Is this really a V10 like it says? Claims to be a Triton V10. F350 Super Duty. L-A-R-I-A-T. Larat. The hood will open. I want to see if it's really a V10. I mean, the wheels all held up. Honestly, mechanically, it's probably mechanically good still, to be honest. If you want to see everything that we just passed, you go just watch the video after it's done being live. I don't know if there's somebody at that other end and we're going to kill the... Damn it, I need the light to get out of here. Stop dying to pull a battery acid. That'd be pretty cool. I like whatever this machine is.